Today is International Day against homophobia, biphobia and transphobia. Since 2004, the 17th of May has been recognised as a chance to shine a light on the violence and discrimination still experienced by LGBT people across the world. The date is significant as it marks the World Health Organisation's decision in 1990 to declassify homosexuality as a mental disorder. Since then, we've come a long way when it comes to LGBT rights and acceptance, and in Wales and UK, we can be proud of the steps we've taken. Today's annual Rainbow Europe Index, published by ILGA Europe, ranks the UK third. The UK position could improve by strengthening laws around gender recognition for trans people. So there is still more we can do to tackle the barriers and prejudice that remain. We cannot, must not and should not be complacent. All LGBT people should be able to live our lives free from fear, and everybody has a responsibility to speak up and call out hate. We in Wales can show leadership at home and abroad in the protection and advancement of LGBT rights. This includes offering sanctuary and support to LGBT asylum seekers. I hope that one day we will live in a world where drawing attention to the violence and discrimination experienced by LGBT people is no longer needed. Until that day, our work as a community and a country to break down barriers and speak up against hate and discrimination must continue.